You see, andito na ako sa center nila. Yung nakikita nyo doon, on that far, yan yung Twin Tower na popular dito sa Bologna, okay? I'm going to walk, okay? I'm going to walk towards dun sa Neptune Fountain na nakita ko sa Google. So, eto na siya. So, that's it. So, it's very beautiful here, huh? Nakita mo yung pinaka pag-aagawa ng structure nila, talagang iba. Kaya pala talaga naiiba ang Europe, you know. Look at that. Ito yung mga ibon dito, pakalat-kalat lang, pinapakain, di ba? Pero sa atin, nuhuli, minsan binibenta, pinapatay, pero makita mo yung diferensya. So, ito na, yung tower. So, I'm finally here. Okay? Okay, this is the popular Neptune Tower, huh? Finally here. Okay, so it's very good. It's a good feeling, huh? Na masaya ako, dito ako. So, bihirang pagkakataon to, I'm very thankful. So, ito yung Neptune fountain.